So all for your information, it is a recorded session. So once completed the session, I'll share the recording clip with all of you so that you can share with any of your friends or any colleagues that who are really looking for the RPA UiPath trainings. Okay. So first of all, welcome to RPA Vault UiPath trainings. Along with UiPath, even we are going to teach agentic automation, AI, along with Microsoft Power Automation Cloud and Desktop. So why Raghu, these many tools, why you are explaining at the same place? Because nowadays, if you know the subject only on one tool, it might not helpful for you to clear the interview. That's how we understand the pain point of the candidate. If you help them to make getting the knowledge on at least more than one automation tool. So if you put down in your resume that you have the subject on your path along with Power Automation Cloud and Desktop along with Agentic Automation AI. So right, everywhere nowadays we are listening about AI. So what is this AI? How we can use this AI in different situations? It is not a separate subject, guys. It's already existing, and we have to utilize it wherever the situation might comes. Okay. Right. So still people are joining. Again, warm welcome everyone and very good morning. People join from different locations and good evening and a great warm welcome to RPA Vault training sessions. So first, let me introduce you all myself. I know here you all people join from different backgrounds. Some are freshers, some are already working professionals, and some are really wants to switch the career from non-technical to technical. Here ago, I just was worried with the night shift. I want to change to general shift, getting some health issues. Here ago, I just because of lack of knowledge, I kick started my career into voice process. There is nothing to do, only dealing with the tickets. So assigning the tickets and just giving some assigning the tickets, or if any small minor issues, I'll just look after it. Nothing is learning, no no personal growth, no career growth, no financial growth. All my friends whoever started with the career, they are withdrawing lakhs and lakhs of package, but I got stuck here. Here ago, I was like very much scared in writing lines and lines of code. Heragu already academics completed 3 years before. Still, I'm looking for the job, but I'm not able to crack the job in IT industry. I want to kickstart the career like in this kind of trending and booming technology like UiPath. So for all these challenges, guys, these RPA tools are the wonderful opportunity to kickstart your career. Because after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years of your career academic gap, or even though you are a fresher, right, to learn the Java, .NET, Python, you have to spend more and more time, and you might not feeling very much confident after attending 3 to 4 months of classes in Amirpet, Maitrivanam, every day going Naresh Institute, Satya Technologies, Core Java, Advanced Java, Servlet, Spring, Hibernate. But still, you might not confident. You cannot able to write that lines of code, right? But coming to these RPA tools, the best foremost advantage here is it's a low code, no code platform, which means you no need to write any lines of code. It's just a simple drag and drop automation tool. All these tools are simple drag and drop because already they have written the code by using these Microsoft applications like .NET, C Sharp, and VB scripting. They have already written the code, and they have just converted those lines of codes into activities. Now we have to use those activities wherever the situation comes. You have to use those activity. For example, I want to open a browser. Okay, open browser activity. I want to click something, take click activity. I want to type something, take type activity, type into activity. Like that, we have 400 to 500 plus activities are available. So you just need to concentrate on which activity we have to take. That's it. That is called learning. That's it. Okay. So now, guys, in our sessions along with UiPath, even we are going to cover agentic automation, AI, Microsoft Power Automation plus cloud plus desktop as well. All these tools at same cost, right? Right. Everyone able to hear me clearly? Audio, everything is fine? Please
Yes,
confirm
yes, sir.
someone. Right. So here, how many of you looking for a job in IT job? Please raise your hands. Great. Kumar Kaushik is the first one. Great. Good response. Huge response. Thank you. Of course, hey Raghu, we need a job. That's how we joined here, right? Right. So guys, today is our first free demo session. What we are going to learn in the coming 45 days. Today and tomorrow is the free demo session, which going to start at morning 8 a.m. 8 to 9:30. Okay, today and tomorrow, two free demo sessions. From day after tomorrow, which is Thursday, the actual sessions are going to start. Okay, so we are going to learn UiPath plus all mentioned tools, Power Automation, Cloud and Desktop plus Agentic, right? And first, let me introduce you all myself, why I'm here, what I'm talking, why you have to listen me, right? You might got many doubts. And guys, please feel free if you have any questions, unmute yourself and please feel free to ask any question. You don't feel shy or don't feel wrong something, because here you all are independent. Nobody knows anyone. I think only couple of guys. I think Mohan Krishna only knows Ravi Kumar. That's it. So other everybody is like independent and nobody knows. Feel free. Any question, and even in the last, I'll give 10 to 15 minutes of time for Q&A, because I know many questions will be there in the starting introduction sessions. I will try to cover whatever already you have in your mind by this 1.5 hour. Definitely, I'll try to cover everything. But still, if you have anything, definitely you can ask me, unmute, and you can ask me. Okay, right. So first of all, guys, myself Raghava Tadikonda. I am from Vijayawada. I do I have done my highest qualification MCA in the year 2014. I do have 11 plus years of IT experience and started my career as a Java developer in Capgemini in Bangalore location. After 3 years of experience in Java, I got this opportunity to learn this emerging technology, which is UiPath RPA tool, UiPath. At that time, RPA is like very new to the market. Nobody knows about what is this RPA. Still nowadays, also nobody knows what is this RPA in the IT industry. Okay, so at that time, I was just like very much confused if I learn this tool or not. If I learn this, how about the job in the future? Because so many tools will come in the market and it will vanish out very easily. But guys, trust me, I used to feel like very much happy that I'm working on this emerging technology, and even I'm happy to share my knowledge to all the people who are really kickstart their careers. So after that Capgemini experience in Java, I learned this tool, and then I got opportunity to switch to the organization called KPIT. It's an automotive company. Again, it's in a Bangalore location. And after that, I moved to company called Birlasoft in Pune location. So there, after 3 years, I moved to Pune, and there I worked I think 3 years in Pune. And after that, I worked with Infosys as a consultant, level 5 SS consultant. And then I moved to Signity Technologies as a technical lead. And then now recently again I changed to Coforge. Now I'm working in a Coforge as a technical lead, guys, RPA technical lead, and part of Center of Excellence team. Right? Center of Excellence. If you don't know, I'll explain it later in the coming sessions. What is Center of Excellence? In this 11 years of experience, I have 8 years experience into UiPath. In these 8 years, I have 7 years of teaching experience, guys. So far in these 7 years, I have trained more than 1600 plus individual candidates. I started the teachings with one candidate 7 years before. That one became two, two became four, four became eight, 16 with all the mouth talk and the success stories what I have. So it was just distributed, and so many people used to contact me. And then in this span of time, I got an opportunity to teach the college students for a 90 days. So you know how many students I have teached, guys? It's almost 17,000 students. I got opportunity to teach college students of 17,000 under the program called Nan Mudalvan, which launched by government of Tamil Nadu. So there I have taught 17,000 students for free of cost for 90 days of program. It's complete semester. With that contribution, UiPath has recognized my efforts, and they have rewarded with me as a certified trainer, certified UiPath community trainer from Hyderabad chapter. So from Hyderabad, I am the only one certified trainer. Along with that, I used to give corporate trainings as well. I have given multiple corporate trainings at Singapore, Malaysia, online locations, on sites, and even in offsite, offshore also. I have given a couple of product-based companies like Twilio, and even I've tied up with the academy trainings called ICT. So there, multiple companies tied up with that ICT academy, wherein I got multiple opportunities to go and to go to the colleges directly and interact with the students and delivering this UA path for a couple of weeks. So corporate trainings, online trainings, offline trainings, one-to-one trainings. So multiple experiences, guys. In that 1600 plus students experiences, almost 350 plus success stories I do have. Even one of my student, many success stories. One of my students withdrawing the package more than me, is working in a very big product company, and I'm very happy. So many people, because of my event, guys, I'm a community speaker for Hyderabad chapter and the key contributor. In Hyderabad, there are only three key contributors, and I am the one key contributor. What is the meaning of key contributor? I have some WhatsApp groups, guys, where all my students and the job seekers, more than 10 to 15,000 students are there total, all those WhatsApp groups. So for the college passed outs, for experienced people. So for all these candidates, every day I used to keep post minimum 20 to 25 plus job openings across the globe on RPA tools, so that it will be easy for them to learn the subject, prepare the resume, creating the Naukri profile, and attaching the profile, and just send your resume to those recruiter mail IDs directly. Instead of creating the profile and waiting for the call from the recruiters, we don't know when you get the call. Many people used to call me, hey Raghu, we have created the profile, but we're not getting any calls. Might be any of the mistake. Might be your profile get duplicated, or previously you already searched with the same number for any another job. Instead of that, I'll give some couple of suggestions, some shortcut tips and tricks for you to how to get the calls easily. And you can share your profile directly to the recruiters. Your resume is directly going into their inbox. As I'm with my network, I used to receive multiple opportunities. Hey Raghu, as you have good number of candidates, can you please post this requirement in your groups? So that's how, without taking any extra amount, I'll just used to keep on posting all these opportunities. That's how I got this certified trainer and key contributor and community speaker. Right? In Hyderabad T Hub, the world's largest innovative hub. So wherein we have conducted more than 7 to 8 in-person meetup sessions. Other than T Hub, also in every couple of months in Hyderabad chapter, as part of UiPath community team, we used to conduct in-person meetup sessions to meet the people, to explain the innovation concepts like document understanding, agentic automation, like DevCon Community Day, wherein we'll meet all the people. You can come and gather, and we can meet, and you can increase your network. You can increase your networking. You can talk to the people, and you can share the opportunities. You'll get the opportunities directly. So that's how I got this. Even have conducted many virtual sessions. I have done many workshops as well. That's how I become a community speaker as well. So far in this professional experience, I worked with different industries like banking, insurance, retail, telecom, logistics, finance, oil and gas, and food and nutrition, and worked with different applications like ServiceNow, Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, mainframe, desktop applications, client internal basic applications, many applications. And guys, I have completed almost more than 47 plus certifications in UiPath from last 7 plus years. In that one, advanced developer certifications are there, some academy certifications are there, and paid certifications are there. In the recent one, I have completed this associate, developer professional, business analyst, solution architect, specialist AI associate, and professional as well. And right. So, Raghu, what we are going to learn, why everybody is discussing about this RPA, how much easy to learn these RPA tools, how many tools are there in RPA, why we should learn only this UiPath. First of all, if I learn this tool, will I get the job or not? How much complexity to learn this job? Here I go, I'm from non-technical background, can I learn this tool or not? Right? You might have everybody having all these questions, no? Right, I'll try to cover each and every point, guys. Okay. Right, first let me share my screen. Is my screen visible? Please confirm, everyone. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Right.
Yes.
And guys, I don't know how many of you joined from mobile phones. And many people asking me here, Raghu, can we learn this tool in mobile phone? No, no, boss. Your only investment is 45 days of time, a proper laptop with good working condition, because you are going to develop a robot. You know, right? How robots work very fast and smart. So how can you run the bots from mobile phone? No, right? So 45 days of time, a proper laptop with working condition, a proper Wi-Fi, and a proper support from your family. Because already gap created, you want to settle down in your career, or you want to switch your existing technology to another technology. Because of the comfort zone, you are not able to come out from the existing job, because you have many commitments. Every month, Raghu, I have 50,000 of EMI I have to pay. If I leave this existing non-technical job, who will pay my EMI? That's the reason so many people will get stuck and they cannot able to come out from that comfort zone, and they will keep on continue with the same non-technical job. Yes, Mr. 703, please. You have raised your hand. Any question? Right. So, so this is your only final investment, guys. Trust me. If you just follow what I am teaching, I'll give you the best suggestions, guys. With all my previous experiences, what are the best practices to switch your existing technology to this RPA trending tool, and the most powerful tool nowadays in the market? And even the packages also, you will get like anything, guys. You cannot even expect, compared to Java, .NET, Python, any another testing, you will get more packages, because your roles and responsibilities will be different with the existing traditional, or tools or languages. For example, if a Java developer is there, that guy is having 5 years of experience. So might be that Java guy package might be 10 to 12 lakhs only, because he's having 5 years of experience. That too, at least couple of jumps should be there in his profile, in his career. Then only he will be 10 to 12 lakhs. You believe me or not, for RPA, you will get minimum 14 to 15 lakhs of package for a 5 years candidate. The trending market for RPA is, guys, into 3 years of experience into 3 lakhs of package. 5 years means 5 into 3. Your package should be 15 lakhs. 3 years means your package should be more than 9 to 10 lakhs. There is huge demand is there, guys. There are many openings are there. There are many projects in the pipeline, but they are not getting the proper resources in the market, because nobody knows about these RPA tools. Everybody know only Java, .NET, Python only, testing, manual automation, Selenium, SAP, Oracle, mainframe. Everybody knows this, but nobody knows about RPA. In your organization itself, if you want to check, go and ask someone, hey, do you know RPA? They'll say, what is this? Okay, right. So first let's discuss about what is this RPA and all. I think my screen is visible. So please, please, so need proper family support and friend support. That if you are listening and attending the session, please concentrate. If it is important, then only I'll teach. If it is not important, then I don't teach, because my time is very valuable. Okay, so please listen carefully, understand, and so that you don't have might any question. And yeah, let's start. Okay, so June 17th batch. Right. After this session, even I'll share these notes also, guys, with all of you in the group, what we have discussed today. Right. First of all, why we are here, guys? To learn the concept called RPA. Let me increase font size. Right. So what is the full form of RPA, everyone? Can anyone confirm what is RPA full form?
Robotic Process
Robotic
Automation.
process automation.
Right. Good. Everybody knows. So are we going to learn anything in RPA, robotic process automation? No, RPA is just a concept, guys. It's just a definition. That's it. In this RPA concept, we have more than 50 plus tools are available. Vijayalakshmi, any question you have? I saw that you have unmuted. Any question? Right. So, guys, first of all, what is the meaning of a robot? What is the meaning of a process? And what is the meaning of automation? So, first of all, when we heard about the word called robot, immediately what you guys will think? Immediately you will get the movie name, Rajnikant movie name, Robo, right? Robo 1, Robo 2. And you might thought, like, even nowadays, if you go to the restaurants, any banquet halls and all, where you will find the robots as well, right? And in the manufacturing companies, everywhere nowadays replacing robots. But our robot is bit different, guys. Our robot is not a physical robot. Hey Raghu, can you please show me the physical robot? No, our robot is not a physical robot. Our robot is just a software. It's just a piece of code. Okay, where we are going to download and install that piece of code in our laptops and desktops, right? Which we cannot touch and feel our robot. This is not a physical robot. I'm not going to prepare and learn any physical robot, guys. Okay, don't expect any physical robot, right? So first thing is robot in RPA, robotic process automation. Our robot is just a piece of code. What is the meaning of a process, guys? Hey, Raghu, we learned this the name process in our college days. Don't ask me any question. It's very simple, no, guys? You might remember that word called process. What is the meaning of process, guys? Expecting at least a couple of answers. Guys, feel free to unmute and respond. My sessions like little bit different, guys. How much you interact, that much you can enjoy my session. Okay? Yeah, Chitra, please. What is
a,
meaning of
se-
process?
a sequence of steps, a
Excellent,
sequence of
excellent. So
Set
guys,
of
what is the
rules and
meaning of
protocols.
excellent? Set of rules, set of protocol, some sequence of steps. What does it mean? In your day-to-day life also, you believe me or not, you don't know or not, you are going through many processes. For example, you want to book a train ticket. What is the process? First of all, you should have the IRCTC account. That is a prerequisite. You have proper Wi-Fi network connection. You have proper laptop or mobile phone. You have proper amount in should maintain in your account, credit or debit card. You have proper mobile network. You believe me or not, these five are the prerequisites. If you have all this infrastructure, then only you can able to book a successful train ticket. Correct? You want to book a product in Amazon. You have Amazon account. You have proper again laptop or mobile phone. Again amount maintaining in the amount in credit or debit card. Proper mobile network to receive the OTP. So if you believe me or not, you should have all the information like source address, destination address, type of journey, class of journey, date of journey, economy. So if you have all this information, you can able to complete those sequence of steps. That is nothing but a process. Transferring the amount from your account to friend account, booking a product in any of the e-commerce website, withdrawing the money from the ATM. There are some set of steps are there even in withdrawing the money from ATM. You believe me or not? If you go to the ATM, first of all, you have to insert the card. That card should be valid card. So there is some sequence of kind of checking validation is there whether immediately the machine will get activated and it will read the chip of your card and it will let you know whether is it a valid card or an expired card, right? If it is valid, then only you'll move to next step. There is some step of validation is there. And then it will ask you, hey Raghu, welcome to banking so and so. What do you want me to do? Withdraw the money or checking the balance, or you want to change the PIN number or mini statement? What do you want? Select the service and enter the PIN number. Again, second validation, some set of protocol, entering 4-digit PIN number. If you enter correct PIN number, go to the amount, enter amount. If no, you have entered the wrong PIN number. Again, entering amount, you have 2000 available in your account and you are withdrawing 10,000, trying to withdraw 10,000. What will happen? You have 2000 in your account and you're trying to withdraw 10,000. What will happen, guys? What is the response? Mission response?
The withdrawal amount is not, or you do not have the sufficient balance in your account.
Right. You don't have the sufficient amount. So if you observe, these are a lot of sequence of steps only. Like this in software industry also, so many people going through this kind of repetitive manual tasks. They're just simply going to office, opening the laptop, connecting to the client network, opening the machines, copying the input data, processing the data on the client applications, preparing the report, send the report to the business. They're just doing the same kind of task from last 15-20 years. Nowadays, we don't need human beings to do such kind of repetitive rule-based tasks. So with the help of these robots, we are going to automate such kind of repetitive, repetitive rule-based tasks, guys. Got it? That's where this RPA came into the picture. So automation means what, guys? Automation means what? It's a piece of code which we cannot touch, feel it. Process means set of rules, sequence of steps. Automation means, guys, mimicking the user actions. What is the meaning of mimicking, guys? You know, mimicry artists know what that mimicry artists do. Whatever Chiranjeevi is saying something, that guy will repeat the same dialogue. Whatever Pawan Kalyan saying, they'll repeat the same. Whatever Amitabh Bachchan saying the same. What Tom Cruise saying, same thing. Which whatever you say, that guy will repeat the same. Here also, whatever the human beings are doing, our robots will do the same. What it will do? Kind of an action. What type of action? Rule-based scenarios. So altogether, we can say RPA definition is nothing but with the help of these robots, we are going to automate the rule-based scenarios. Whoever the people are doing the same set of jobs in their day-to-day life. That's how you might have heard about in previous childhood days or 5 to 10 years before that. Hey, in future everywhere robots will come. People don't have might have the jobs. Here also, I cannot say that people lose their jobs because our robots will replace their jobs. Those people should our those company of whatever wherever the companies they are working, they will assign some another productive job for them. They might not lose the job. They will get assigned by some another task. Okay, so guys, that's how this RPA concept came into the picture. We have more than 50 plus tools are available in the market. The topmost trending tool in these 50 tools, the most emerging and trending tool in market is UiPath, guys. And then Microsoft Power Automation. And then guys, automation anywhere. You might have heard about this technical technology names, no? Blue Prism, OpenSpan, Cofax, Handworks, Remelia, TrueBot. Okay, so guys, these are all the different automation tools in the market available in the market. The first and foremost and the most competitive and successful tool in the market is UiPath. Hey Raghu, why should we believe all whatever you're telling? No problem. You no need to believe me, guys. Whatever I'm teaching. Okay. You guys also take some time after the class and just check yourself whether whatever I'm teaching is correct or not. Okay. For example, let me open Copilot. Okay. You know, right? What is Copilot? Here you have ChatGPT, you have Autopilot, even you have Copilot. Then I want to search. Please list out all RPA tools in the market and which is the best and top tool in the market now. So you know, right? Everybody nowadays depending on AI, ChatGPT, Power Automation, sorry, Google Gemini, Google Bard, and even NVIDIA application. Even Elon Musk also launched their own application. See, guys, there are several RPA tools in the market. Here some of the most popular ones. First is UiPath, a leading RPA platform known for its AI-powered automation and user-friendly interface. It's very easy to learn, guys, believe me or not. And then automation anywhere, Blue Prism, Power Automate, IBM RPA, Pegasystem, Nice, Cofax, Chiron, Work Fusion, like many tools are there, right? So now you guys got one clarity that you are going to learn the top tools in the market, right? So Raghu, how about the jobs? And within 45 days, can I able to learn this tool or not? Yes, you will get the job, but every day you have to attend the session without fail. Hey Raghu, next week is my birthday. So I'm giving the party to my friends. I need 3 days of leave. I cannot able to join the sessions. Hey Raghu, after that next week, I'm going for vacation. Munnar, it's very hot outside. I want to go to the very cool place with family. So guys, if you keep aside all these entertainment, vacation, family, birthday, everything, and concentrate on learning, 45 days, just give me 45 days of your time. Attend the classes without fail every day morning. 2 hours of session will be there, guys. 7:30 to 9:30 every day. 2 hours, completely online classes, no offline classes. I don't have any institute. It's completely online. Okay, maybe in future I might have opened the institute. And Monday to Friday completely online, and even after the session immediately you will get the recording as well. Okay, and after that all these tools are professional certified tools. Here go, what is the meaning of certified? You know, right? You have to become certified. Here go, then again, how much again we have to pay for that? You no need to pay any rupee also to become a certified trainer, certified, sorry, developer. How to do that, what to do, how to start, where to start, when to start, after completing one certification, again which one to start, everything I'll guide you. So every day 2 hours on session, learning the thing, attending the classes without any fail, and 2 hours on certification, guys. If you become a certified professional developer, then only you have to put that certification also in your resume. It is recommended, guys. It is recommended. If you have really genuine experience, If they have really genuine requirement, they don't consider whether you are a certified developer or not. But if you put in that certified thing in your resume, it will be an added advantage for your profile. Your profile weightage will be increased. Okay. And then practice. Hey Raghu, I need really a very good job with 10 lakhs of package, but I don't know anything. I have 3 years of career gap. I have tried to learn many things, but I'm not able to concentrate because I was just worried about writing in lines and lines of code. This is one of the candidate profile. So that guy attended the sessions, completed the certification. Every day he did the practice as well. Whatever I teach the topic in the session, for example, today, Excel automation. After the session, I will give you some task as well. This is the requirement. This is a challenging thing. You guys should practice. For example, 30 members joined my session. I will create the teams as well. Every 5 members, one team, and I will assign one team lead as well. So that end of the day, the team should share the report as well. For example, here Akshay is the team lead. Akshay is leading Anup, Arun, Sesi, and Chitra. So these 4 guys should report to Akshay. Hey Akshay, and you 5 guys maybe connect together after the session. You 5 guys interact together and you guys prepare yourself. What not? You can do anything if you have bandwidth and if you are available and if you are not a working professional, if you are free. So that in the starting itself, attending the session from Teams, how to use Teams, how to access the Teams, how to attend the calls, how to join the meetings, you will get some real-time environment. And for the team, for the lead, you will get some experience on how to collect the updates from your team. And your team members also will get some pressure. Somebody should be there in your backend. If nobody is there with you, you will keep on watching Instagram reels. If you want, you can go and watch your screen time in your mobile phone. Many people might get addicted to watching Instagram reels. If you settle down, no problem. You can do anything. You roam around, you don't sleep, nothing. You are getting the salary to survive. But how about for the people who even did not kick started their career? Are you already started career, but you're not fulfilling with your salary, whatever you're withdrawing? So I will assign somebody so that that guy will keep on asking you, hey, what is the report? What is the report? What is the status? You practiced or not? I have to share the report with Raghu by end of the day. So if somebody is there to watch out, to monitor you, then only you will get the seriousness, believe me or not. Otherwise, if I keep on, hey boss, I don't know where are you, who are you, I don't know. Just attend my session, pay me the money, and just go out. I don't know you. That's it. So my sessions are not like that, guys. I want everybody to settle down because in my 8 years of teaching experience, in the starting couple of years, I have trained like 2 to 300 people. In the same demo session, one of the guy asked at the time I was tied up with the institute in Maitri Vanam. Their 50 members has joined the demo first session. One of the guy asked me, hey Raghu, you are saying you have trained 200 people, 300 people so far. So how many people got the job? I was literally started thinking from that day. Array, I'm getting fruitful money amount for every batch, but how about the job? So I was just calling to all my previous contacts and I'm asking them, hey, you got the job or not? Nobody's saying here, no, Raghu, I did not get the job. Still, I'm trying. I'm looking for the job. So I have learned something though from those mistakes what I have committed. So here it's not like everything about the commercial guys. Here I want some success stories. From your success stories, you will refer 10 more people. Even you don't need to refer. If you settle down, you have a 10 members of friends. You settle down in your career. You started your career in RPA. Obviously, your 10 friends, your 9 friends will ask you, hey, where you have learned, what you have learned, how you got this job, who teached you, who trained you, who suggested you, who guided you. So from that day, I'm not looking for the candidates who are really doing the time pass. I want someone people really who wants to kickstart their career or you wants to switch down their existing technology to this emerging technology with good number of package. Here, Raghu, the trending part is very interesting, right? Right. Okay. so So guys, total 50 plus tools are available in the market. And what is the advantage? The most best thing in UiPath is it's an open source application. What is the open meaning of open source, guys? It's a free of cost tool. Got it? Free of cost, which means you can download this UiPath tool and install in your laptop for free of cost. Some of the applications might be there, they are paid, which you cannot download and install for free of cost. For example, you spend 10,000 to download and install. After 10-15 days of time, you did not like that application to learn, but you have already spent 15,000 bucks. But here, nothing. You don't need to spend 1 rupee. It's a free of cost. But you have to pay me the training fee, guys. Okay, that is your only requirement, only investment, right? And guys, all these tools are certified tools. Okay, to complete one certification, you have to spend 84 hours of time. That is a required and mandatory and the suggested certificate for everybody to start your jobs. If you put that certificate in your resume, definitely recruiters will consider your profile. Tag team, HR team, for example, today they have received 5 profiles. Out of 5 profiles, 2 are certified professionals. Then obviously, see, many people used to give the trainings in the market on RPA, on UiPath, and Power Automation. But what's the difference between for me and for them? You just go and attend some demo from other people as well, and just attend my sessions as well. So you guys will get to know the difference. A stamp called certified. So you can expect some extracurricular things other than those. Whoever the people might be, some people giving the free sessions as well. Guys, free is always free. You cannot ask them. Even you can learn this UiPath also from YouTube. We have Mukesh Kala videos, we have Automate with Rakesh, we have Andrew Jensen. Many people are there. But again, why people attending the sessions? Because to get some commitment. Here ago, I have already started watching YouTube videos, but somewhere I am not feeling confident. Somewhere is something getting lag. I already started watching and I have already going through academy sessions, but I'm not confident because there is no one, there is nobody is there with you. Wherever you have time, you will open and you will watch YouTube, and immediately your friend will ping you. Immediately your mind will get deviated, open WhatsApp and chatting with hours on hours and watching Instagram reel. But here you will get some commitment. You are paying the money. You have to attend the session every day. Put the alarm, waking up in the morning, inform your family that going to attend the session, 2 hours of time. You need their support. They should take care of your kids and family. Hey Raghu, is there any possible to start the session after 11 a.m.? I have to pack my get ready my kids to send the school. I'm so sorry, guys. If you wake up in the morning with fresh mind at 7:30 a.m., you will get more concentrate on learning the subject. After 10 to 11, your mind already get disturbed, already activated many modes. So you might not get concentrate. So taking all the feedback and suggestions, I have fixed this time at morning 7:30 a.m. If you all are comfortable, maybe we can start at 7 a.m. also. Completely your choice. From day after tomorrow, before day after, by tomorrow evening, I'll create the poll. Based on the poll, we'll start the session by 7 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. Okay. So if you spend this 45 days of time, every day spending 2 hours on academy, then by ending the course, you will get this certified. You will get this certification. Then you can put that resume. Guys, it's all a cyclic process. Attending the classes, learning the subject, completing the certification, preparing the resume, sending your resume to all the recruiters, attending the mock round sessions, scheduling the first round of interview, clearing the interview, clearing the scenario based question, clearing the system test from the company, Cleared first round, attending second round, manager round, receiving offer letter, joining the company, again attending the client round, cleared the BGV, assigning the project, deliver the project. In this cyclic process, if any of the disturbance might get created, then you cannot able to deliver the project, right? So please put a goal, prepare a plan, and attend the session, and at least spend minimum of time for the learning. Okay, if you are already working professional, here ago I don't have that much of time, okay, but at least you have the time in the weekends, right? Monday to Friday, just attend the classes, remember the subject, and please try to do the practice everything in the weekend. Okay, so at least I'm giving you all the recordings, right? So you can go through the recording, and even I will create the teams. You can contact with your team lead or your team so that you can practice yourself all your connecting together. Any questions, anyone so far? I am the only one talking like anything.
No, it's all clear and very
Right,
informative.
right. Great. Right, guys. I don't want to waste your time. Again, I'm telling you all, if it is important, then only I'll teach. Okay. Right. So, total 45 days of time, and it's easy drag and drop tool, guys. It's a drag and drop tool, which means no coding knowledge is required. No coding knowledge is required to learn this RPA tools. Right. Now, why this Microsoft Power Automation is becoming very competitive tool for UiPath? Because you know, right? What operating system you're using? Windows operating system owned by Microsoft. All applications, whatever you are using in your day-to-day life, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, Calendar, Dropbox, so many applications are owned by Microsoft. So for UiPath, interacting and automating and developing all these third-party applications might get a critical, a little bit complex. But for Microsoft, all these are products, applications owned by Microsoft. So it's easy for them to automate. That's how in short span of time, Microsoft Power Automation is becoming very successful tool. So that's how even in every interview nowadays, they're asking you, even if you have 3 to 4 years of experience on your path, nowadays they're asking you, do you have any other knowledge on any another tool, RPA tool? If you say no, okay, sorry boss, we're expecting at least knowledge on couple of tools. So if you say along with your path, even if you have knowledge on Power Automation, definitely your profile gets shortlisted. You believe me or not? So guys, in our sessions, total 45 days of time. In this 45 days, Monday to Friday means total 6 weeks, guys. You will get 6 weekends, which means Saturday, Sunday, no session, right? So which means altogether you will have 30 days of classes, guys. In this 30 days of classes into every day 2 hours, which means you will get almost 60 hours of content, total recording content of 60 hours. This recordings will expire in 4 months. I don't give the access for the recording for lifelong. If I give lifelong, you don't get that seriousness to go through the recording to recap. If you have really genuine reason, then definitely I'll extend your recording access. Okay, and then 25 classes 25 classes on UiPath. First 25 classes on UiPath, and then 5 classes 5 classes on Microsoft Power Automation Cloud plus Power Automation Desktop. Hey Raghu, can we really learn this Microsoft in within 5 days? Yes, it's very easy and simple tool, guys. You can learn at least what basics, because already you have spent 25 days 25 days on learning on your path. So it's very easy to learn Power Automation Cloud and Desktop in short span of time. Believe me or not, you don't need to become that much professional. Doing any some real time project. At least let them know that you have some knowledge. In your path, we have workflows like sequence, flow chart, state machine. In Power Automation, we have instant, scheduled, automated. That's it. The naming conventions might different, and the UI application might be different. Objective of all RPA tools are nothing but to do some automation. Hey Raghu, if I learn your path, can I get the knowledge on Blue Prism? No. But at least you will know how to automate it. All these tools are independent, guys. Okay. No relation, no connection between each and every tool. Right. Next one. Hey Raghu, why everybody is looking for automation nowadays? Why all companies are looking for automation? In short span of time, why it became very popular? Already we have so many automation applications available in the market. But why still RPA tools are very becoming successful? Why everybody is talking about RPA? In testing, you have Selenium automation. In Excel, we have macro automation. In SAP, we have some application called RPA. Some automation is there. So in Excel, we have 10, 15 years already before automation is there. But why those automation tools are not popular, and why these UiPath RPA tools are popular? Because in Excel automation, what is the limitation, guys? Can you able to automate web application using Excel macro?
Directly, we will not be able to do this. So for this one, we have to install some external applications like Selenium and all, but directly we can't interact.
Excellent, Anup. Thank you. Thanks for the interaction. And cheers. So you cannot, there are so many limitations. Can you interact? Can you integrate your Excel macro with ServiceNow application? Of course we can do, but we need to do many lines and lines of code on VB scripting. You should open enable the developer mode in Excel and you write lines and lines of code. It's not that much user friendly because you are not good at coding. I was very lazy. I don't want to write lines and lines of code.
And
But coming to this, yes, Anup.
yes, sorry. And also into this, one of my experience, I just want to highlight it over here. When I have just automated one of the application, which was a browser automation. So with the help of this Excel application, where I have installed this Selenium, I have automated this process. But there is a one drawback which I have identified. Whenever your browser will get updated, then you have to update the Selenium driver those many number of times, and you can't restrict to update your browser. So that is basically the drawback, I would say, for the Selenium automation, but which we do not have in this RP tool. This is a good thing.
Exactly. Because guys, as you are in a millennium, every day we need some updates. This year I'm using iPhone 16. Hey, I need iPhone 17. Hey, I'm using Activa 10G. Hey, I need 50G next year. I'm using OnePlus 12R. Hey, I want 13R. Hey, I'm using WhatsApp 10.10.10 application now. Hey, I'm looking for some updates. The human beings like always very much surprising and excited for the updates. So always all the companies, applications, product owners, product companies, every day they will keep on working on some updates to release into the market. So if your application is keep on updating, then your automation also should update from the backend. Whatever the application UI front end everything you have to update, right? So for every existing automations, there are some limitations are there, guys. Okay, but for this RPA we don't have any limitations. Okay, whatever application, whatever industry, irrespective, our robot can automate like anything. The only thing is it should be a repetitive manual task, which means no human intervention is required. Which means, for example, there is a process, which means include 50 steps are there. In these 50 steps, at 39th step, definitely human being should take the decision. Then only we can able to go to the 40th step, which means human dependency is there, human interaction is required. At that time, we cannot able to automate because your robot cannot wait that much of time. Your manager, your lead, whoever the decision maker went to the vacation, he will come back after 15 days. So how robot will wait that much time? And even our robot may or may not take that cognitive decision like a human being actually. But nowadays, with the concept of agentic automation, as you're training multiple models using LLMs and AI and OpenAI and all, even nowadays robots able to capable to take the decisions as well like a human being, guys. Up to couple of last session, I'll say confidently that robot cannot take decision like a human being. But now with this agentic automation, guys, everywhere, agents, that even robot can take decision. Even right, in robo movie starting, it's just a machine, it's just a piece of physical asset. Whatever you tell, it will do the same. It doesn't have any feelings. But after what have Rajnikant updated that robot to like a human being, it started behaving like a human being, even it started getting feelings. And then at the end, what happened, it became like an enemy. It became like an villain for us, right? But in real time, even we cannot predict, and we don't wish for that to become all these agents and all these AI and all to not become villains for us, right? Great. So as of now, these agentic automation agents all are in very starting stage, guys. This is the best time to learn, to understand all those agents and all. You have good knowledge on all these basics. UiPath Studio, Robot Orchestrator and all. Okay, right. So advantages, guys. First one is cost cutting. What is the meaning of cost cutting, guys? For example, there is a job that was doing by 10 people, 10 full-time employees. From last 15 years, they are doing the same job, same repetitive job from 15 years. Now that organization, that company implemented these RPA robots in their organization. Then out of those 10 employees, whatever they're doing the job, it was doing by the robot now. Then might be company will fire them, will terminate them. Otherwise, they will assign some another job for them, because all the job, whatever is doing by the human being, is doing by the robot. Which means what happened? Instead of spending huge amount on the human being, they're investing less amount, whatever they're investing on the human being, on the robot. Which means cost cutting. They can save money. End of the day, everything will revolve around the money only, right? And then 24/7. Human beings, how much of time they will work, guys, in industry, in company? Maximum 8 hours, 9 hours, and nowadays some company you should work for 10 hours. But how much time robot will works, guys? Robots can work for how much of time robots will work?
24 by
24 by
7.
7.
Excellent. So it doesn't need any birthday party, it doesn't need any vacation, it doesn't need any break. It just need a license, it just needs some infra setup, some power and some license. That's it. Whatever you ask, it will do it. It is like an assistant. So out of 9 hours of time, human beings, 1 hour for lunch break, 15 minutes for coffee, 15 minutes for tea, 2 hours for meeting, 1 hour for leads, reports. So maximum 3 to 4 hours, for example, human beings are working per day in office. These 4 hours of work can replace by the robot within just 15 minutes. You believe me or not? So out of 24 hours, human beings are working for 4 hours, and those 4 hours of job is doing by 15 minutes. So a robot is doing 15 minutes, spending 15 minutes to replace the job by the human being which is doing. So still, how much of time is left in robot, guys? You consumed only 15 minutes. Still 23 hours, 45 minutes of time is left. So can you imagine how many processes we can automate, how much of time we can save, how much of cost cutting we can do? That's how every company is looking for automation. Because in every business process, there are so many repetitive manual tasks will be there. For example, Infosys, consider Infosys every day. It's almost more than 4 lakhs employees are there in Infosys. Every day 600 to 700 people will join the company. Every day 500 to 600 people will leave the company. So what is the joining process? Joining process will be the same for all. It will take might be 4 to 5 hours per candidate to create the user login credentials, default account, portfolio, creating salary, storing all your educational details, background, previous experience details, everything in their database. It will take a lot of time, spending a lot of time. It's a repetitive task only. We can automate. More than hundreds and hundreds of people are spending their every day to create these user accounts. But nowadays they are replacing human beings with robots. Robots within just fraction of seconds. If you give resume, capture the name, first name, last name, mobile number, email ID by the bot, it will capture all these details and it will put it on the company internal application. It will create the default account, username, password, and it will send the email to the user within fraction of seconds. User termination process, which means last working day of the employee. Robot will check the checklist. Candidate submitted the laptop or not, bag or not, charger submitted or not. He cleared all the debts or not. Did the guy took any early loan in the company? Did the guy cleared all the insurances or not? Did the guy submitted the parking sticker or not? Did the guy submitted four-wheeler, two-wheeler? Did the guy submitted the gym card, library card, whatever you have, ID card, access card? If you submitted all checklist, all clearance, everything, then remove all the roles and access from the company. That's the last working day. So that's it. We can automate. So guys, like this, for every business, there are so many repetitive jobs. So all the clients are looking for automation. They want to save money and time. End of the day. Okay, that's how these RPA tools become very much popular. And even we don't have any limitations. We can automate like anything, irrespective of industry, irrespective of automation application. Okay, so 24/7 robots can work and time saving, right? And then zero errors. Zero errors, guys. Robot don't do any mistake. Whatever, however you train, it will automate like that. If you train it in wrong way, it will do wrong things. If you guide correctly, if you train correctly, it will give you 100% results. Human beings might commit some mistakes, depends on our everyday to day life because of many problems in the family and all. We might commit some mistakes sometimes. We are human beings, guys. Definitely we made some mistakes, but robots not like that, guys. It will do 100% results. It will deliver, believe me or not. So that's the reason it's very successful tool. And even of course, even we should talk about some disadvantages are also there. First thing is application should be static, which means the data. Today you are getting the data, input data to the bot, you are giving in English. Tomorrow you are giving in Chinese. How robot can identify whether is it a Chinese or not? It will be very tough. Okay, if you give today English, tomorrow Chinese, again English, Chinese, no problem. I will use translator and then I'll train the robot like I will do my, I will take care of those things. But it is not confirmed. Today you are getting some data in Excel format with having in one format. Tomorrow it's completely different format. Or for human being itself, it will take a lot of time to understand the changes. How robot itself can understand. So always the data and application should be static. We don't encourage the continuous changes in the application. Of course, the updates will be there. We will depend on enhancements and the change request. Okay, depends on the based on the changes. We'll work on this. We'll work on the change request. And then data always should be static. Application should be static, and no human intervention should be there. No human intervention, because if human intervention is there, which means some decision maker is there in that particular process. Robot cannot take the decision like human being. So no human intervention, no dependency. Then only we can able to automate that process. Right. And then, as I have told you, what are the types of industries nowadays using this, implementing these automations, guys? Banking, retail, insurance, finance, telecom, logistics, HR, food and nutrition, oil and gas. All these industries are using this automation nowadays because in each and every industry, if you consider, they are having multiple manual processes. Okay, healthcare, manufacturing. Okay, and we have different automations, guys. Here, Raghu, what we should learn, what is this automation, what type of automations we have in UiPath. Okay, so guys, the first and foremost is Excel automation we have, web automation we have, desktop automation we have, basic automation we have, Citrix, email, database, what not, you tell me the name. We can automate SAP application, we can automate Salesforce application, we can automate ServiceNow application, we can automate remedy force control application, we can automate mainframe, we can automate Oracle, JD Edwards, anything, what not, you name it, I'll automate it. Okay, for example, see here, let me open the how UiPath Studio looks like. Okay, guys, so this is my UiPath Studio. Okay, see here, this is the UiPath Studio. As it got recently updated, you cannot able to see the logo of the application. This is how UiPath application looks like, guys. I'll just give some overview also how the application looks like, what is the meaning of drag and drop tool, how much easy it is, whether I'm writing any line of code or not. Okay, so this is the home button, this is the design panel, and this is the debug panel. Okay, and this is the project activities. See how many activities are there. Nowadays, robot can integrate with any of the third party application. For example, see, you can interact, you can automate Zoom application, you can automate YouTube, you can automate Twitter, you can automate Workday. Day by day, every day you are going to see in these applications. No, you can automate login with VMware, you can automate workable WooCommerce, WhatsApp, you can automate Python, pipelines, persistence, form, FTP, Excel, database, GenAI, Twilio, product-based company, SugarCell, Stripe, Slack, Shopify, ServiceNow, SendGrid, SAP, Quip, Salesforce, Pipecon, PDF Monkey, Oracle, Okta, Microsoft, Gina, Intercom, Jira, Huptin, Google Vision. Every day they are keep on upcoming like anything, guys. You name it. Last month also we don't have these many, but in this version, see how many updated applications are there. So you can able to automate all this. Hey Raghu, my application not listed here. Can we able to automate or not? Yes. Even though if it is not there, no worries, we can able to automate. That's how, and even with very much safe and secure. Why your part is become successful? Because it providing that much of levels and layers of security to the client's applications. You can automate like anything. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of drag and drop tool? What is the meaning of no code, no coding knowledge is required? What is the meaning of low code, no code platform? What is the meaning of low code, no code platform, guys?
So low code, no code is basically where all the codings are converted into the actions, and you have to utilize those actions and require and pass the required input parameters.
Right. Excellent. So as we don't need write lines and lines of code. For example, everybody will start with hello world only, no? 10 years before when I am learning Java in Maitrivanam, they are also same. First program always will be hello world. I want to display a message hello world with the help of this RPA robot. Okay, as I have told you, I cannot show you the robot, guys. Okay, it's just a software. We cannot see it. So to display some message, we have an activity called in UiPath message box. Just search it, find it, and drag and drop. Drag and drop. See, that is called drag and drop. See here, what it is telling you, drop activity. You got that activity in the activities panel. What it is telling you, it will display a message box with specified text and button. So drag and drop that activity. That's it. So what is the message you want to display? That message pass here. Text must be quoted. Double quotes. Hello world. Hey Raghu, you said you don't need to write any line of code. I did not write any line of code. I just passed the message. Hey Raghu, even we don't want to pass that message also. I don't do anything. I'll drag and drop. Array boss. These are like very basic, simple prerequisite input things we should pass as a parameter. We without having these basic things also we cannot do anything, right? These are like very basic. I can create that comfortable environment for all of you, you know, that you are not doing any kind like writing lines of code. It's very simple, drag and drop. That's it. I'm good, guys. I'm done. I want to run my bot now. What we should do, just go here and click on run. Did you write any line of code here, guys? Simple drag and drop tool, automation tool. We are automating. See now what happened? I got a message with message box at hello world. That's it. If you want to do the same thing in Java, what we should do, guys? How many lines of code we have to write? We have a website, no? W3 schools. I don't know whether I have access or not. Right. In Java, if you go and start very simple program, hello world. So you have to write public class main, public static void main, system.out.println. Here we don't know what is class, what is main, what is object, what is the method we have used. But I know how to write the code because I have by hearted it. But here we did not any write line of code, just simple drag and drop tool, right? Now let me explain you the same thing. Let me explain you the same thing in Power Automation. Okay. So guys, this is the Power Automation tool, guys. This is the Power Automation tool. I want to display a message in message box. So here in Power Automation, we have the activity name called display message. Okay. So again, drag and drop. See, drag and drop. What is the title you want to put? Welcome message. What is the message you want to display? Hello world. Message box icon. I want to display it as an information. I want to put some OK button or cancel OK cancel button. I have given my requirement. That's it. Save and run. It will display a message box with proper information logo along with OK and cancel button with proper title and proper message. Got it? Difference between UiPath and Power Automation. How the UI looks like. What is the meaning of drag and drop? Now I will explain one more activity called type into. I want to welcome you all that, hey all, welcome to RPA Vault trainings. This is the first free demo session. I want to type this message on the notepad application. So what activity we should take, guys, to type something? We have an activity called type into. Okay. So take that type into activity. Take the type into activity. So give me some time. It will take some time to load all these activities. In the meanwhile, we'll have some Q&A. It's almost 1 hour 17 minutes completed. So many people might have some questions. We'll take some questions. Yes, Chitra, please go ahead.
Hi Raghava. So one query I have that in regards with RPA, that is UiPath, I don't know whether it is a notion or it's true, but can you please let me know that in case we are running any task on UiPath, we need to run on the machine where we need to stop doing all the activities. We need to only UiPath has to run. Is there is a way that I wanted to really learn that
Yes.
parallelly can it run? I can work on my own things and UiPath will be running on its own.
All right, excellent. Good question, Chitra. Thanks for that. So, guys, in UiPath, actually, we have two types of robots. One is attended robot, another one is unattended robot. Attended robot means human intervention is required, wherein human should open the robot tray and human being should run the bot manually. For example, see here. Attended robot means, guys, open your assistant. If you install UiPath in your machine, you will install UiPath assistant also automatically. This is my assistant. Assistant means what? Whatever I inform you, that assistant should have to do that. So I have installed my assistant in my machine. This is nothing but attended robot, which means human being open the assistant and human being should trigger this process manually. Manually means what? Client will tell you, hey Raghu, total 50 processes are there already in live. Out of this 50, every day you please run this particular process at morning 9:20 a.m. IST. Then what we will do? Open the robot, going to the production machine and open the robot tray and run the bot manually. Then robot will start automating the task. At the time, you cannot do your actions in your machine. You just need to simple idle and you just need to monitor what it is doing, because that robot is taking the help of your keyboard and mouse. So if you interrupt while it is taking something, clicking something, typing something, if you interrupt, it cannot do automation because it is taking the help of your keyboard and mouse. That is one type. Nowadays, even for attended robot also, you no need to sit idle like that. We have an option called picture in picture in UiPath. See here. Here in debug, you have option called picture in picture. What it will do, run or debug in a separate session or virtual desktop on your machine, available for both executing and debugging, which means it will create a separate session on your machine. So you can parallelly do your tasks, your day-to-day tasks, and parallelly you can monitor what robot is doing in that particular session. This is another type. Okay. So see here, this is my assistant. No, these are my robots. Already I have so many robots in my machine. I want to run this job. 9:20 done. My client told me to run this job at 9:20. So I started this job manually, which means human intervention is required. So when it is doing, you cannot do any actions because it is taking the help of your laptop and desktop and keyboard and mouse. Hello, I am from Attended Robot. And we have another concept called unattended robot, which means orchestrator, which means we have a concept called scheduler, triggers. Every day morning class at 7:30 a.m. You schedule your alarm in your mobile phone at 7:25 a.m. When 7:25 come, when your mobile phone meets 7:25 time, immediately it will trigger alarm. You will get some sound, you will get disturbed and you'll wake up. In the same way, we have a concept called triggers in UiPath. If you schedule that particular job at every day at particular time, automatically when the time come, your robot will start automating the task automatically, even though your laptop or shut your VM or laptop or desktop in shutdown also, no problem, it will work in the background. Don't take help of your keyboard and mouse, it will take directly help of your hardware devices. It will take the help of your chipset in your laptop and desktop. So whatever it is doing parallelly, it will do. You can do your parallel activities normally. Clear, Chitra? Where is it clear?
Yes, thanks, Raghava. Yeah, it helps. Yeah.
Right. So guys, let's go back and we have an activity called type into in your path. Okay. If you take this type into activity in your path, where I want to type on, on notepad. Yes, somebody unmuted getting so much of echo. Sorry. Sorry, Dinesh. I'll give you some time. You can unmute and you can talk. right? Where you want to type, guys, on notepad. So I have to indicate the notepad screen, because how robot knows where it should type? You have to inform whether is it on a notepad or on Excel or on a Word document or any web application on any Teams, right? And what you want to type, text must be quoted. What I want to type, I want to type some welcome message. Hi all, welcome to RPA Vault UiPath plus AI trainings. It's our first free demo session. Wishing you all the very best. That's it. So now what if you observe, we have total two activities here. First one, it should display the hello world. Second one, it should write this text on the notepad. Okay. Now try to run the bot. What will happen? It will execute all activities one by one, one by one. Like this, you can do whatever the human beings are doing in their day-to-day life actions. So now our robot started execution. If you click OK, acknowledge this message box, then only the next activity will start activated. See? Perfect. My task completed. Now, now I want to type one more time. So what I should do, guys? Do I need to type one more time? No, already done. Just run the bot. So what happened? Train once, execute n number of times, save time, save money. Got it? So like this, guys, we have some set of activities are there. You have to get understand that activities. That's it. Jobs are ready for you. People are waiting. Companies are waiting to give you 10 plus 15 plus lakhs of package, because there are huge pipelines projects in the pipeline. They're ready to give you the job. They are looking for really a proper resource who are really, see, even though you are going with some fake experience also, no problem. Companies are ready. At least they're trying to give you some opportunity. You have to utilize it. Hey Raghu, no, I don't do anything. I'm very lazy, but I need job. Okay, whatever you told, I'll get 1 lakh of salary. I'll go and take some support. I'll give support people, support guy 35,000 per month to the support guy. I'm getting 1 lakh per month, 35 to support guy. I mean, I'm getting 65,000 per month. Okay, how many days you will give 35,000 to the support guy? Why don't you take that 35,000 also yourself? Even guys nowadays, even support guys are also not giving proper support, because in industries nowadays, you guys companies are calling for hybrid, at least 2 days work from office. Then what you guys do at that time? Will you connect to remote from office to the support guy? After office 6 p.m., will you take the bag and go to the support guy location? How you can survive? It's not like a kind of a one day task. No, it's a repetitive, guys. Don't support, don't depend on anyone. Stand individually. Learn technically something yourself, and then be independent, and then accept the challenges and deliver it, develop it. How many challenges you face, that much of technical subject you will get, guys, believe me or not, in the starting stage. Okay, so don't be go for the kind of a backdoor jobs, or don't go for such kind of a support things and all, because it's not a permanent solution, guys. Okay, it's not a best practice to kickstart your career, believe me or not. So many people are suffering nowadays. What is the common man, what we can say, our weakness is to get the job. The people, the fraudsters in the company, backdoor guys, what they're doing, they'll ask you to money, they'll say, I'll give you offer. With that word, you will attract it and you'll pay lakhs and lakhs of rupees, and then you will get caught cheated, believe me or not, right? I don't know how many of you guys already gone through such kind of cases. But don't do that. Learn the subject, put some efforts, do some effort, and then expect the result. Without doing hard work, you are not eligible to expect the job offer letter, guys. Believe me. If you put some time, evaluate yourself whether you spend quality of time or not. Uninstalling all mobile applications, only WhatsApp, every day attending the class, simply sitting in the laptop. Start spending time with laptop. Keep aside the mobile phone. Start learning about the subject, interact with the application, try to prepare your own robots. Spend some time with the robot on sitting in front of the laptop 8 to 9 hours. Then it will be easy for you after you join in the organization. Then you can accept the challenges from your client manager, from your lead, and then you will develop it and you will deliver it. Now itself, you are not able to sit 2 hours in front of the laptop. You don't have that much dedication and commitment and passion towards learning. Then how you will get the job? How you will survive in the industry after joining in the company? You have minimum 3 to 2 hours of calls every day. You should listen. You should have good ability skills. What your client is explaining you should have to understand. You have to check the feasibility, whether can we do this process automation or not, right? So now I want to click something, guys. I want to click something. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn about the curriculum, course curriculum, everything, our company website called rpavault.com. Okay, I have a own company name. Our trainings, everything is running through rpavault.com. So if you go through this website, if you want me to connect, please click on WhatsApp. Directly you can interact with me. And if you want to go through the UiPath training, just click on this RPA UiPath. And then see here, guys, course details. Why we should take this course. What are the key highlights? What are the career opportunities? And course curriculum. Today, demo 1, introduction to RPA tool, overview of RPA tool. What is the difference between RPA versus testing? What are the tools we have, industries, automation types, as we are going to cover everything in today's first class. Tomorrow's class, I'll explain what is the difference between software engineers and RPA consultants. What will be your roles and responsibilities as an RPA consultant after you join in organization in the first day itself? What companies are expecting from you, what you should do after you join in the company, what is the life cycle, what is the future scope, sample demo program development and execution. From day 3 our actual class will start. I'll help you in starting installation of UiPath Studio Robot Orchestrator, and I'll help you in starting the certification registration and initiation of the first lesson in UiPath Academy as well. In class 3, class 4 discussing about complete studio robot and orchestrator, which means what is this home, what is the team, what is template, what is tool, each and every option we should learn. And then what is design, what are all the different options, what is this properties, what is this autopilot, what is copilot, what is test explorer, what is object repository, outline, each and every option. If you know, then you will get some confidence on the subject. In coming days, if any situation come, you know how to handle it. So we'll completely learn about the product on class 4. Class 5 variables, class 6 arguments, class 7 input and output methods, Excel automation, workbook automation, data table activities, selectors, action center, web automation, string manipulation, PDF automation, database, email, control flows, exception handling, object repository, modern design, automation hub, document understanding, up to 15 classes, completely basic classes. Coming to the advanced topics, we do have orchestrator, assets, triggers, attended and unattended robot deployment, how to upload and download code from orchestrator, RE framework with queues, without queues, and global exception handler, real-time documentation, how the formats look like, PDD, SDD and all, end-to-end project explanation. And then we'll move to Power Automation classes, Power Automation desktop, Power Automation cloud. And then we'll help you in taking mock interview session. We'll help you in preparing resume and taking mock round, account creating in Naukri, LinkedIn, and uh, and uh, and I'll help you in taking all certifications and special guidance for all the uh, freshers. And every day, whatever I'm giving you the task, student one, whether you completed the task or not, I will note it down, and every day attendance will be noted. After 45 days, I'll share the attendance, how many classes you attended, how many you not attended. If you not attended regularly, then you are not eligible to ask me, hey Raghu, I'm not getting the job, right? So student tracking and everyday daily classes recordings. I will share the recordings like this. Okay. So please go through and spend some time and learn what exactly I'm teaching. And if you want to interact with me, you can note down my number. You can contact myself. And guys, even my team is there. Even my team is also joined in today's session. Kumar is my team. So every day morning of session, hey, hi Kumar, you can say hi to
Hi,
everyone.
hi everyone.
Thank you. So guys, Kumar can help you in everything non-technical, preparing your resume. For example, today morning we discussed about Excel automation. I have assigned you one task, but by end of the day you have to submit the task and share the report to your lead, but you are not able to do it. You can take help from Kumar. Kumar will connect with you all every day in the evening, half an hour to 1 hour of his available time. So you can post in the group, hey Kumar, I am not able to get it, please help me. He can connect with you all, clearing the doubts. Hey Kumar, I'm not able to access recording. Please post in group. He can able to help in accessing recording. He can help you in sharing all job opportunities. He can help you in giving you some guidance. He can give you in sharing some freelancing opportunities, resume preparation, mock interview, everything. Of course, I will also do. I am the only one teaching the classes, and even he will be there for all of you to support. Even after this batch, also no problem. We are here for you. I will add you in all the in all the groups everywhere. We will keep you posted. You can contact us every time, 24/7. You can ping us. We will give our level best for the candidate. Ultimate objective is to get down the job and settle down in your careers with good number of package. And we are expecting more references from you, right? And guys, as I showed you, this is my profile. UiPath community speaker, certified professional trainer, community top key contributor, certified in associate, developer professional, business analyst, solution architect, and professional. Center of Excellence team, 7.7 thousand plus followers in LinkedIn. And these are all my experiences, guys. Capgemini, KPIT, Perlosoft, Infosys, Signity, and I have not updated the Coforge experience. Okay, and even you can connect with me in LinkedIn to connect, continue for the future references. And guys, as I have told you, this is our company page. RPA Vault Professional Trainings and Job Prospects. We are having 3,000 plus followers. Every day, I will keep posted multiple opportunities, guys. If you see here, last night, 9 hours before, I have shared this job opportunity. What is this? Hiring RPA developer, remote position. Send your resume to ProTech Consulting. They are looking for 6 years of experience in RPA, 3 years of experience using UiPath. Hiring 8+ years of experience, Pune location, Baner. Company name is Fruitron Solutions. Again, Bangalore location, 4 to 5 years, looking for this company called SR Consulting. One more job. An RPA position developer, Noida location. Send your resume to this recruiter. And guys, let's go for next opportunity. Again, 12 hours before, I have posted another opportunity. Job alert, 4 years, Gurgaon location. Send your profile to this guy. RPA lead looking for company called Exalta. Exalta. Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, 15 days of notice period, 4 years. Send your profile to this guy. See, like this, I have posted n number of opportunities every day from our page. Okay. So once you're ready, feeling confident, got technical knowledge, got hands-on experience, and just share your profile to all these guys and let them know you're looking for job opportunities. Okay. So like this, I'll help you in giving the career guidance, teaching you technical expertise, helping you in clearing your professional certifications, helping you in career fulfilling your career gaps. I can provide you in providing a consulting documentation to fulfill your gap, help you in getting technical expertise levels, help you in giving call support, helping you in providing the work support as well, end to end. There is a one-stop solution, rpavault.com, wherein I can give you If you have any career gap, if you are feeling comfort zone and you're not able to come out from the company and you're not fulfilled with your financial things, I am here to help you. The only thing is just follow my steps, follow my suggestions. Definitely, I can help you in fulfilling your career, settle down in your careers. Okay. Yes, great. Almost like 7 more minutes took your valuable time. Sorry for that. Now we'll have open for the Q&A sessions, guys. Q&A. And guys, one more thing. Sorry, last thing. So this is my previous job, previous batch, last batch, where I have started in the month of March. See here, this is the June today's batch, and this is last batch where I started on April 25th. Today morning only 30th class completed. Okay, see here recordings. So for them also same, class 1 demo, class 1 demo, class 2 demo, class 3, class 4, class 5, class 6, class 7. So like this, class 26, 28, 29 is also there, 29. Yeah, and today 2 hours ago before I took that session, so completed 30 classes. See here, everything I've put it here. And coming to the content, what is the content I'm going to give you all? So my resume formats, more than 500 plus resume formats I'll give you. Freshers resume, experienced resume, 3 plus years, 5 plus years, 10 plus years. Okay. And I'll give you training material, interview questions, more than 500 to 1000 plus, pages of document is there. All that content material I'll give you uh, sample project files to do the practice. More than 50 plus projects I'll give you to get the hands-on experience, and I'll give you all the document type real time BRD, SDD, solution design, how it looks like. Okay, so all this content document and everything I'll going to share you by end of the sessions with all of you. Okay, so now it's a time for all of you to have Q&A. If you have any questions, feel free to unmute and you can ask any question. Maybe you can turn on your cameras, guys, if you are okay, comfortable, so that I'll take a picture of all with you guys, 30 candidates. I'll feel very happy that I'll to see your happy faces and exciting faces that you join the sessions from tomorrow. You can turn on your camera so that I'll take a snap if you are okay and comfortable. I hope everyone enjoyed the session. I hope I have cleared all your questions and queries, what you have in your mind. Now open to you guys. Open for the questions Q&A.
I have a question. You said
Yes, please raise your question.
agentic AI.
Yes. Yes, Mohan Krishna. It వచ్చేసి. Yes, Mohan Krishna, please go ahead. Sorry, anyone, any question? Somebody is asking about agentic. Hello, you're on mute, man.
Can you?
Omkar. Yes.
No questions, Raghav.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for turning on your camera. Yes, Omkar, please shoot your question.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I was like you.
Sorry, your voice is breaking, man. Anyone able to hear Omkar's voice?
Is it clear
No.
now?
No.
Yeah, it's better. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so are you teaching also agentic AI apart from the UiPath and Power Automate desktop? Then how many sessions it will take?
Actually, I did not updated that in my curriculum because, as you know, everybody nowadays taking sessions on agentic automation. So I'll take at least couple of sessions with 2 to 3 practical implementations as well. Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Even if you're interested to learn any new innovation topic from your path, name it. I'll teach it. Even if I not included in the curriculum, also no problem. I am here to teach whatever the knowledge I do have. Like, I'm happy to help you. Happy to share the content with all of you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Any freshers here? Anyone freshers here, please? Freshers. Which recent passed out? Yes, Kumar. Kumar
7
Kaushik.
Pring.
Yeah. Okay. Which year passed out? You are 24 or 25 passed out?
2026 pass out. I'm going to pass out this year, 2026.
2026,
Yeah,
which means next year.
yeah. Just I
Oh,
want to
great.
hear this section. How it's going to be like which type of technologies are going to use that thing.
Right. Great. So, how's the session? What you have learned so far from last 1.5 hour?
I understand how automation going to work here, but I'm thinking I am studying with data science. How machine learning, data science are going to include in these sections? I mean, how I can use these things.
Okay, great. Thanks for the question, Mr. Kumar Kaushik. So, first of all, data science, data analytics, those machine learning, all those are different concepts. This RPA, UiPath, these tools are completely different concepts. We don't have any connection between these. Might be UiPath also can integrate and automate whatever the data science job is doing. Data science, data analytics is nothing but interacting with the data, calculating and preparing the reports, and
Mute, unmute
understanding the
mute.
data and familiarizing with the data, right? So maybe UiPath can automate what data science also doing, but it's not related anything with data science and data analytics.
But the problem is here data is going to be in static way. UiPath data in form of dynamic data. It's going to there is far more difference between this automation. I think so.
See, I'm not saying that robots cannot deal with dynamic data. Robots will deal with dynamic data. Robot don't deal with dynamic changes in the format of application. Of course, robot will deal with everyday today. For example, robot deal with input data of 500 rows and columns of data in the client input Excel file. Tomorrow, that 500 might become 5,000. Day after tomorrow, 50,000. No problem. Thus, the content and format, everything is same. Fine, no problem. Of course, robot will work like that only, but completely changing the format, everything means it cannot able to understand that much easily. That's what I'm telling you. Difference between static and dynamic. I'm not like saying the data also should be the same every day. Okay, clear?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I think I hope someone already raised under hand. Vijay Lakshmi, right? I think fresher, one more fresher, right? Hey Akshay, so any question, Akshay? Or how's the session? Is it helpful? May I know where you are from, Akshay? Akshay.
Yeah, hi Raghav. I am from
Hi.
Pune
Pune, great. Which part of Pune?
in Karadi.
Acha, Karadi. So my
Yeah,
previous experiences with Pune, I stayed in Hinjawadi, Phase 2, Blue Ridge for 3 years.
okay,
I
okay.
worked in KPIT, Birlasoft, opposite to Mezzanine, Hinjawadi, Phase 1. So many experiences with Pune. It's wonderful city, structured city. Great, great. Good to
Yes,
have you
yes.
here. Yes, Akshay, you already working professional or may I know that?
Yeah, yes, Raghav. I am already working on a Blue Prism right now, and I wanted to learn your part. That's why I just started the sessions from today.
Okay, great. So how's the session?
The session was very great.
Thank you. So
Yeah,
please join the session tomorrow as well to complete the remaining demo part and see you soon
yeah.
in tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you.
Sure, sure.
Hey
Yeah,
Anup,
thank you.
good morning. Good morning, man. Sorry,
Yeah.
before Anup, 1 second. Sorry. Let's take question from sorry, Sarvarinder Pal Singh Batal.
Yes, yes.
Hey,
Yes, yes. Hey,
hi.
hey, Raghav. Yes, it was a great session. Actually, I'm just using my husband's Teams
Okay,
because it was not set up on my personal laptop.
okay.
So
Your good
I
name?
could
Your
see,
good name?
sorry,
Your good name?
my I am Jazz.
Jazz. Where you are from?
Yes. Uh, I'm currently in Canada.
Canada. Great.
But yeah, sorry.
Yes, Jazz. Please go ahead. Over to you.
Yes. So actually, my question is, Raghav, today's session was great, but the problem, like as Akshay mentioned, I am already working in RPA, but with the Blue Prism.
Hmm.
And so
Okay.
I know you have a two demo session today and tomorrow, and the actual learning will started from the class third. And you were sharing the previous recordings which you just finished for the previous batch, right? So let's say if I would enroll in the courses after the demo because I really like the today's session, would you be able to share those recordings with us from the previous session as well, or you? I know you would like us to do along as your live sessions, do the exercises and everything, but is it possible? Can we access those archives as well?
Yes, sure, absolutely. But see here, this is my previous April batch, March batch,
Mm-hmm.
January batch, December,
Mm-hmm.
November, like many previous batches. But of course, I know as you already working professional, you might not have that much of time to attend every day and all. And but my recommendation is to attend the live sessions. And even I forget to mention one more point, guys. My sessions, most of people joining who already have experience on Blue Prism and automation anywhere, because they are not having getting even calls also to attend interview. So nowadays switching from the existing RPA automation tool,
Exactly.
learn this UiPath tool, because zero market for Blue Prism and automation anywhere nowadays. So many people trying to join. Yes, Miss Jazz, definitely I can help you in providing access recording for the previous sessions as well. But my recommendation is to attend the live sessions, because one-on-one interaction will be
Yes.
very grateful, and you will get some kind of dedication to join session every day, waking up and spend some time, listen some concept. It will be uh, kind of one-time thing to learn and understand the subject. Yes, I'll give you. No problem.
Yeah. And I mean, definitely, I can see the benefit of joining the live session because we can ask you questions on the go, and we can have more interactions and we can learn better. But I just had this question in my mind, like if in case I want to go through some of the lesson, but yeah,
Sure,
great to know.
sure,
Thank you,
sure.
Raghav.
Thank you. Thanks, Jas. Thanks for joining. Thanks for your valuable time. Hi, Mr. Vamshi Krishna. Any questions? Are you there? Okay, we'll go with next Tagore. Hey, Tagore, Elampalli.
Yeah, hi Raghava.
Hi.
Actually, I have joined some lately because uh, facing some Microsoft Teams issue. Actually, this is my first session I have joined. I have some missed the previous top class, and will join again later also. And I just have a more clarifications and actually, I'm a Windows Server administrator. I have a huge experience in Windows Server administration, and I want to move to RPA Blue Prism as well as UiPath, which is actually I have some doubts I need to discuss with you while
Sure,
taking your
sure.
number.
Please,
It's got
please call me.
disappeared.
Yeah, after the class, please call me. I can help you in clearing all your doubts. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for
Uh,
joining, Mr. Tagore.
yeah, can you please show me the number again once? Okay,
You
thank
can
you.
take a picture. Yeah. Hi, Sri Lekha.
Yeah, hello, Raghu.
Thanks for
So,
joining. How's the session so far?
yeah, the session is more interactive. As you told, if we just concentrate a little bit and practice every day, then no doubt, I'm sure that we'll crack a job.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
It's so interactive and easy to learn.
Thank you.
Thank you so much
Shubham.
for
Hey,
your time.
Shubham. Yeah. Thanks. Hey, Shubham.
Yeah.
Any
Hi,
questions,
Raghav.
Shubham? Hi.
No, no.
Okay, great. Thanks for joining. Satish. Satish. Any questions, Satish?
No, I don't have any question. I'm good.
Great. Sai Kiran. Next. Yes. Hi. Please unmute and respond. Somebody joined with the name. Yes.
Hi, Raghav. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi.
Can
Hi,
you
Sai
hear me?
Kiran. Yes.
Yeah. I
Yes.
have a good experience in production support in UiPath, but I don't have knowledge in development side. So going forward, I will join all the sessions.
Okay. Great. Thank you. And guys, if you want, maybe you can interact my previous students also. I have placed all those numbers and reviews also in my Google official website rpaworld.com in Google, wherein you can go and you can just go through the reviews also. People, because even joined from couple of candidates from production support as well. So because guys, if you're in a support, might be first couple of months or up to 4 to 5 months is will be challenging, but after that even you don't feel any challenges and you will just keep on monitoring and nothing to learn, nothing to explore, but already you are getting package, you will be in a comfortable zone. Better to come out from support to the development. Then only if you start facing challenges, then how many challenges you learn, that much of strong career you can build, and that 2 to 3 years or 4 years or 5 years experience and challenging in development, it will be easy for you to crack the job in the next company, because you can ready to face interview, you know all the challenges, you're ready to explain the questions what you have learned, your previous experiences you are going to demonstrate in 30 minutes of interview, guys. That's it. So every day is a kind of a challenging thing, guys, and every day I'll ask some Q&A in the session what we have discussed in the last lesson. So it will be kind of a practice that how I used to take the sessions, take the interviews in real time, so that it will be easy for all of you in responding all those questions and answers as well. Okay, and this is my certifications, guys. If you see, these all are my, as I have told you, I'm a professional certified developer. So I got the certification directly recognized from UiPath in the year 2023. This is my developer professional one, which completed in April 24. Agentic Automation Associate Certified Trainer. Yeah. Right, guys. So I am a community trainer, which certified in 2023 May, directly from CU UiPath. And guys, can anyone guess who is he?
Daniel, you have
He's he's UiPath CEO Daniel Dines. I got multiple times of opportunities to meet him, to interact with him directly in the year 2018, 19, and even in recent 24 DevCon also, I got opportunity to meet him, interact with him, as I'm a community trainer, and these are some. And as I've told you, I'm a UiPath key contributor. So this is where I got rewarded in Hyderabad T Hub as UiPath key contributor from Hyderabad chapter myself, and. So these are all my students were used to come and attend the sessions and meeting me in practical, and recent Malaysia corporate training experiences as well. And because this is my college academy training where I have trained 300 plus college students in Khammam in the college called Priyadarshini. I have trained all these students with the under the concept called women empowerment with the association with ICT Academy with Honeywell Technologies. Okay, yeah. So I just want to show you guys a couple of experiences, and even guys, I'm very much interested and passionate towards cricket. So I have RPA Vault is official sponsor for many cricket teams in Hyderabad, wherein we have contributed many people, many teams providing the kits and helping them in providing the jerseys, wherein you can see many teams from Hyderabad contributed RPA Vault. So these are some of the teams. Our team's name is Celebrity Cricketers, wherein all celebrities used to play with us. Yeah, that's it. Any questions, anyone? Please unmute and respond and shoot it your questions, please. Chitra, any question, Chitra? So guys, Chitra is one of the candidate wherein she did not join the session and she paid the fee also already. Thank you so much for trusting in me, Chitra. I don't know who told you about me and I don't know how you trusted me in that, but thanks a lot. I'm very happy for that.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Raghava. So,
sorry,
Yeah.
sorry for the interruption. Raghava, fee details not shared.
So guys, so the training cost will be 14,999, 15,000. Okay, round together 15,000, 45 days of time. You will get 30 classes every day, and every day 2 hours of content subject, which means 60 plus hours of content covering UiPath, agentic automation, AI, Microsoft Power Automation Cloud and Desktop, along with certification, along with career support, sharing the resume, mock interviews, and job opportunities. and continue support until unless you're getting the job. After getting job also, if you got stuck at it somewhere, I can help you in clearing this as well. Yeah.
Yeah, and also daily, how many hours class will be there?
2 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours.
Okay, okay, okay. Is
7:30
it
to
this?
9:30.
Okay, it is a morning or evening, night.
Completely morning. Completely morning. 7:30 to 9:30 a.m. IST.
Okay, okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Chitra, please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Raghav, for the introduction. So, my goal is to, for initially, I have found RPA Vault on the internet. I have done some research about it. Then I had a call with you, Raghava. Then I told my goal. I wanted to automate. I wanted to do the automation in where I am working. So I should be able to do whatever the task I am learning here and implement there. Then I would call it myself a success. And as I told that I have done some research about RPA Vault, then I got the confidence after speaking to you. Then I am in. Yeah.
Great, great. Thank you. Definitely, I hope by end of the course, you have to do multiple automations and you have to automate all your existing roles and responsibilities to get more subject on, technical expertise on the subject, wherein you can get more engagements from new clients. Yeah, all the best. Thanks. Thanks so much
Yeah,
again, Chitra, for
Thank you.
yeah.
joining.
Raghava, sorry to disturb again.
Yeah.
Is there any it is small live demo session is there for UiPath to understand what is what, how much easy to understand and
Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow is a live
okay,
session. I'll explain, showcase one complete process and use case understanding, what exactly this RPA, how to develop, how to automate, and how to implement, and what exactly it will do, and how much of time we can saving manually and after the automation. I'll show you
yeah, right.
demonstration completely
And
tomorrow.
also, I have a small doubt. If we learn the UI path, is there any mandate to learn the Blue Prism as well? As it is a Blue Prism is as per my information, Blue Prism is a bolder version of UI path. UI path is the latest version. I feel. I mean, I think UI path is the latest version. Once you learn the UI path, Blue Prism learning is not required. As is it right? Right?
No, 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 no. It's not like that. It's completely different tool. Ultimately, see, if you learn one tool, it will be easy to learn another tool. But you don't get complete 100% subject of, if you learn your path, you will get on Blue Prism. It's a myth. It's not like that. All tools are independent. Each and every tool you should learn separately. But if you learn your path, it will be easy to learn all other tools, because learning automation anywhere is very easy. You can learn automation anywhere within 10 days also. But how about the job? After spending this much of money, amount, and time, if you start looking for opportunity, if you don't get the job, if you're not getting any single call from recruiters, then it's waste of time, right? So choosing the best tool is also very important, which tool you are learning. Even if you put more time to more efforts to learn the tool, but how about the job? You should look after that as well.
No, no, no. My why I ask this question is actually if I learn a UI path, I get. I mean, to get a job, UI path learning is enough, or I need to learn the Blue Prism
And
as
enough,
well.
enough. No need,
Yeah,
no need.
that's why. That's why.
But
Actually,
but
if I learn
learning
the UI,
learning, yeah, learning power automation is added advantage. That's why I will teach power automation as well.
okay, okay. UI path as well as Power Automation is enough to get the job because after that I need to also learn the Power Blue Prism. That is if it is a mandatory. Actually, two courses that still be. That's why.
No, 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 no need. Even nowadays, Blue Prism is completely down market. Even if you learn, you don't get single call also. It's waste of time is my suggestion. Okay.
Okay, okay. Actually, yeah, that's why actually my question is actually okay, okay. I mean, that's why I'm going to
Yeah.
I will spend more
So
time in UI path. That's why compared
exactly.
to
And
Blue Prism.
even Tagore, even if you spend more time instead of learning in Blue Prism, maybe you can spend some quality time in learning C sharp or VB scripting. It will be added advantage for you. Even if you
Right, right,
don't know, no problem. If you know, it will be added advantage.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Neha. Good morning. Any question, Neha?
Uh,
Next. Yeah.
it's Hi Raghav.
Hi.
Uh, I have an experience in nice tool and just
Nice.
started, yeah, and just
Okay.
started learning UiPath. So, I mean, could you please suggest how much time it will take to know the basics of UiPath and then RE framework and all?
See, as you are already a automation experienced professional, it will be very easy to you for you to understand the subject basics and like advanced topics. But nowadays, see, UiPath is not like only UiPath Studio, Robot, and Orchestrator. We have many innovations like Automation Hub, Document Understanding, Action Center, AI Center, Insights. So many things in UiPath as well. So to understand only basics, maximum 2 to 3 weeks is enough. But it's not sufficient to crack the interview in placing getting the job. In case if you have any internal job postings in your internal organization, to learn maximum 1 month is fine and enough to cover all basic and advanced classes. Yeah.
Okay. Raghav, one more question I have, like I'm seeing I'm in lot of job opportunities in N8 and that is totally open source. So how we can differentiate that UiPath is better and it will have much more opportunity in this field? Because so many organizations are switching on the no code or low code platform to just automate their processes. And definitely UiPath needs some installation and all the things and guidance also, because only learning the tool is not sufficient, I guess.
Right.
So yeah.
So can you just please come again? What is the phrase of the question? I didn't get you. Sorry.
Mm. So N8N is, I mean, totally in highlight nowadays because it is just offering the integration with easy integration with API and all, and we can easily do some processes, right? It's totally open source and self-hosting also. So how, I mean, can you please differentiate learning UiPath is better than that one? I just want to know the difference between that thing.
No, no, no. See, Neha, sorry, I forget to explain one point, guys. UiPath is an open source application only for the learners, for the beginners. But in
Hmm.
real time, it's a enterprise edition. Companies,
Yeah.
clients should pay money, huge money to get the licenses. Compared to Microsoft Power Automation, licensing cost is very high. All the other tools, UiPath is very high, and even that much of demand. That's why they are increasing the license cost also, like anything. So it's not open source, it's an enterprise paid license application UiPath, wherein clients will purchase those licenses. But the difference is no difference. Whatever you're learning now, it will be the same in production in real-time enterprise also. The only difference between community edition and enterprise edition is the support. If you get any issue while you are learning, practicing in UiPath Studio, in community edition, you cannot have rights to create a request to get support from UiPath. But in where in real time, you will get some support from UiPath. You can raise a request immediately. The team will interact with you if you have any queries, any issues with the product. And even we should purchase the licenses for AI units to document understanding, to scrape the data from the PDF documents and all. So is it my question? My answer is clear, Neha? Is it
Yeah,
all
yeah.
you're asking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Right.
Yes. Next, Mohan Krishna. Hi, Mohan Krishna. You're husband of Sushma only, right? Mohan. Right. Next, Ashish Nargade. Hey, hi, Ashish.
Yes, Raghav.
Yeah, hi, Mohan.
Yeah,
Great.
how are
Thank
you?
you. Thanks for joining. I'm good. Thank you. How are
Yeah,
you?
yeah, yeah. It was great interaction with you today.
Yeah, even Sushma also keep telling about you from the day when I joined Insignity 2 years before.
Yeah,
So she's very, very nice human being. I can say in Insignity, I have met one of the best person in Insignity.
okay, 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 okay. I'm lucky
Yeah.
to have her.
Great, great. Yeah, Mohan, please. How's the session?
Yeah, it was a great interaction with you. Uh, Actually, it's I'm non-technical background.
Yes.
I do have experience in 13 plus years of in digital marketing.
Okay.
Uh, in future, I'm looking into IT. I want to work in IT sector.
Okay.
So that's the reason I joined this session. Raghav.
Definitely, Mohan. So I can help you in converting your digital marketing experience into RPA professional, and whatever you are getting the current existing CTC, definitely you will get good number of expecting CTC in the future after 45 days of time. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks for joining.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Hey Omkar. Any question, Omkar?
No,
Hi Omkar. Where you are from, Omkar? You are not
Same as
audible.
Miss,
Sorry.
I'm same as Miss Jasveer from Canada.
Acha, Canada. Okay. So how's the session? Any questions, Omkar?
No, it's good. I'm looking forward for the entire course now.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. Hi, Vijay Lakshmi. Any question, Vijay Lakshmi?
Okay,
Hi, here
Raghav,
this is
just
Maurya. I
okay,
have
Maurya,
Okay.
connected
it's
from my
early now,
sister.
so I'm just dropping off. Okay,
Yes,
nice
Omkar.
to
Yeah.
see
Thank you.
you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
Yeah, Moria, please go ahead.
I have connected from my sister laptop mobile. Yeah,
Okay.
session was good. I get confident. I have searched.
Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you. Thanks for joining, Moria.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Hi, RR Kumar. Any question, RR Kumar? Right. And the last we'll take Navdeep Sharma. Hi, Navdeep. Any question, Navdeep? Right. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for your valuable time in attending RPA World first free demo session on UiPath. Thank you so much for your time. Let's conduct again tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. for the second free demo session. See you all soon. And if any questions, anyone, please feel free to contact me as I have given you the number. And please go through the curriculum, course content, and which Google reviews. And please make yourself comfortable. And please share to your friends, colleagues, if anyone is looking for training, job opportunities on RPA industry. And happy to share. I'll give you the referral bonuses amount as well. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much all. Have a great day. Bye. If any questions, you can stay in the call, else please left the call. Thank you.
Bye, Raghav. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll meet tomorrow.
Sure.